Yes, welcome. Yo, it's your boy TT. I can't talk too loud because it's currently 5:14. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I thought to do like a day in the life. Obviously, everyone's sleeping right now. I have to keep it down. But I thought to do a day in the life. And yeah, my day starts at, I woke up 5 o'clock. Getting ready, about to go to the gym. I'm working from 6 till 8, and then I'm gonna train cardio and abs. And yeah, you'll just see me in the gym in it. Day in the life, 5:14. We still got energy, yeah. But yeah, man, if you like these type of videos, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below for more videos like this. I can do that for you. And yeah, man, day in the life. See you in the gym. So, focus, man, focus. There we go, 5:51 in the morning. And I've just reached the gym. 5:51. Let me go outside. I want to show you the view. Look at the view. Look at the sky, mate. Look at the sky. What a view. What a view. What a view, mate. In the gym. Obviously, I haven't got the keys because my brethren's got the keys, so I'm waiting for him to open up. And then we work from 6 till 8. Then we do our cardio and abs. I'm gonna do 45 minutes cardio. I'm gonna do abs. And then literally, my day is kind of busy, but it's kind of boring at the same time because I'm gonna be in the gym 3 times today to train cardio. Then we've got a back session, and then what do we have? And then we have to come back to work 7 till 10. Kind of a boring day, but IJN, my life gets more exciting. You know what I'm saying?
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be.
Yeah, man. Just finished my cardio. Can't even see me. Just finished my cardio. I'm about to do abs now. Couldn't film cardio though, because obviously the machines are close together and people are on the machines, so I would have otherwise, but I'm not recording that. We're gonna record abs. And loads of people ask me what I do for abs. Simple, circuit, man. Circuit's the best way. And strength training, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm dripping, drip, drip. One round. Yeah, man. Did six exercises. One of the exercises were side crunches, so 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other side. Killer. 30 seconds working time, 10 seconds rest, so that I can just adjust to the next one. But yeah, man. Looking good, looking fresh, looking, you know what I'm saying?
I need some loving, baby. all my melodies.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
Just did abs, all of my thing. Literally, I'm tired. I'm tired, but still got energy. I don't know, for me, I get tired, but I still got energy. So I'll probably do one more set. Yeah, I want to do one more set. I probably won't record it though. But yeah, man, got a jam-packed day today. Busy day. Don't know where you'll see me next, but you'll see me
later.
Yeah, man, back at home. Well, I say back at home. I've been home for like a couple hours. We're gonna have my pre-workout meal, which is just a bagel, one scoop of protein. I haven't got any blueberries, so I might just have a tangerine. So I'm gonna have that, and then I'll be off again to the gym to train back. Some of you ain't following me on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow my Instagram known as TT. Link in the description and down below. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. Let's smash this. You know, I don't set a goal for likes, so I'm gonna set a goal today. Let's smash 10 to 15 likes. If we can get that, I'll do another video. I'll probably do another video anyway, but if we can get that, I might do a competition. Yeah, because we're nearly on 300 subs as well. So if we get to 300 subs, I'll definitely do a competition. Yeah, man, you'll see me in the gym. Peace. Yeah, back in the gym, back there. Just started off with some pull-up variations and stuff like that, and all of them things there. But yeah, man, I might do some weight pull-ups as well, because I ain't done that in a long time, so I might do that. Yeah, man. Catch you in a bit. Yeah, I know I need petrol, man. I know I need petrol. So yeah, on the way to Audi/Tesco. New tonality garms coming out soon. And as I said, actually, I'll probably work on tonality and the music video, because the music video is done. I need to work on promo so I can put it on the gram. And if, as I said, if the video's out by now, go stream that video. I'll probably put the link in the description if it is.
Life gets crazy, dangerous, but that's how life made me, dangerous.
If it's not, it's coming out 12th of August. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's on Link Up TV. Make sure you stream that, man. I put it on Instagram. I said, yo, should I put it on my own channel or Link Up? I might put it on this channel as well. But I don't know when this video's coming out, so it might already be on this channel. But yo, make sure you stream it. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe. Watch the full video. All of them things there, man. A full production, dangerous. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, man, and we back from Aldi. Got some blueberries. Got a small, wow, this is a medium pack, but I thought it was a small pack, but small pack of, medium pack of chicken. Just because next week I'll probably buy the biggest pack. But that's a medium, yo, dog. Try to rip me off, dog, yo. Anyway, and then my post-workout meal, Cocoa Pops. I think last week I had, what did I have last week? What's them things called now? The cookies, Cookie Crisp, that's it. I had Cookie Crisp. But yeah, I had that. But I'll switch it up today. Well, next week and have Cocoa Pops. But yeah, man, that was a good, wow, what a good vlog. Obviously, by the title, you saw, yo. Actually, should I do it? Should I do my car review? Yeah, man, this is my baby. This is my car, man. See you in the next video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want to call it. There's some shorts now on this YouTube, so I'll be doing some shorts. Loads more shorts coming soon, man. Loads more shorts. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, as I said before about 30 seconds ago, and I'll see you in the next video. Bow, bow, peace, yo. Let's go.